Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another RWeb Creations video. Today we have the PurpleBeast in the garage. We have Jarvis, the owner. We have Mauricio. Hello. Jarvis is going to explain us what's going to happen today.
Alright guys, so today is a very excited day because today we're going to change the intercooler. Because like you can see here, this one is very damaged, outdated. All the silicones, the screws are dusted, so this car really needs a new look for the intercooler. So that's what we're going to do today. And also we have a new blow valve, a Tial blow valve. So this is one of my most expensive invest in this car, so I'm very excited. So let's unpack this box to see what we have in here. Alright guys, see with me. See this beauty. I ordered this 5 months ago and I didn't unpack it, just to unpack it with you guys, so you guys can enjoy it with me. Look at this beauty.
Nice.
Oof.
Nice.
You imagine this on the Evo?
We'll see it in a bit.
Alright.
So as you guys know, when it comes to the cooling system of your car, Mishimoto is the best. So Jarvis went with the best to have it installed on one of the best looking Evos out there. So let's do this.
Shawty poppin' money for so yeah. I never want nobody sober. Up all night till it's over. Over. Shawty poppin' money for so yeah. I never want nobody sober. Up all night till it's over. Be there for her till she's so bad. Shawty need a pop of Molly for her soul, yeah. She want dope, yeah. Need a flow, yeah. I just wanna
Alex.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the clamps, so we can take off the hoses from the piping. So let's do it. We have 2 more clamps down here. Here we have it, the old one, so you can see it.
Sakit apa Evo mo si piping eh?
Yeah.
Ang lagayanan mo.
Masali kompleto.
Sige, sali. Just natin ang halo mo nasa kitchen.
Tine.
Ah.
Diba?
esa doang?
Ah, sí, no.
Well guys, here we have it. You can put it beside the old one. Look the comparison. Huge comparison.
So guys, right now we're getting ready to install the intercooler core. What you need to do when installing these intercoolers, you have to reuse your stock bushings. We remove these bushings from these 3 holes, and then we remove it from the stock intercooler. Now we are going to reuse it on the Mishimoto. We already installed one, we have 2 more to go. Okay guys, so right now we have the bushings installed. We are ready to install it on the car. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, we have everything pretty much mocked up. It's turning out nice. Right now we're getting ready to go to a friend's house so he can weld the flange of the blower valve for us. So it's coming along. Let's go.
Alright guys, the pipe is already done, all set. Now ready to go home and finish the project.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we are done. Looks sexy. Such a nice upgrade to the Evo. Here you go, the Mishimoto intercooler core, the piping, the Tial blower valve. We had to customize a few things, like this nipple right here. We had to weld this nipple right here so it can connect to this right here, and we had to weld on the obviously the blower valve flange, and we eliminated the stock nipple for the stock blower valve, and that's it. You like it?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Looks sexy, boy.
Yeah, very satisfied.
So we're ready to go for a ride?
yes, to see how it sounds.
Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, we're in the Evo. We went for a test drive to see how the tire sounds, but unfortunately it did not want to open. I think the spring might be too hard for this car. This is a stock Evo after all. But let me know what you guys think. Let us know in the comment section. What should we do? I think we need a new spring or do a modification to this spring. Let us know if you have any suggestions or idea. Make sure to leave it down below in the comment section. We're gonna end the video right here because we have a few things to take care of. So guys, Jarvis, do you have something to say?
So guys, thanks for seeing this video. Like my brother says, I'm a bit sad because the tile don't open, but let us know some comments or suggestions if you guys have, please. And thanks for watching this video.
But the Mishimoto though, the
bro,
intercooler,
that thing looks awesome, man. Whoa, it changed the whole car in the front. The experience, it's crazy, man.
The intercooler turned out very nice. So guys, see you in the next one. You guys take care. Keep it sideways, baby.
All right,
let's go.